Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Subnautica 2 game error, and the error is your game might not have exited correctly the last time you played. Verify your system meets the minimum requirements, and if this persists, update graphic card driver or try resetting or lowering the game settings. So if you're getting this error in the Subnautica 2 game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. The first fix is to update graphic card driver as it is said in the error. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then when your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. And once you're on this AMD website, scroll down, select graphic, select your AMD graphic card driver version over here. This is just an example I'm showing. You have to select your graphic card driver version over here. This is just an example I'm showing it. And then click on submit. If you have Windows 11, expand Windows 11, and if you have Windows 10, expand Windows 10. So Windows 11 user, expand Windows 11, and the current latest version is 26.5.2. so just download it. And once this exe file get downloaded, this is for the AMD users, run it and install it. And after updating the AMD graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Again you have to just restart your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if updating the graphic card driver does not fix the issue, then fix is to roll back your graphic card driver, and this is for the AMD users. In this Subnautica 2 community section, here you can see important information on video drivers with Subnautica 2, and this is for the AMD users. So you have to roll back. If you have an AMD 9000 series GPU with latest driver 26.51 and are crashing on game launch, AMD recommends that you roll back your driver to 26.3.1. They are working on a fix. You will need to manually download the previous driver from the AMD.com website. So this is only for the AMD users. You have to roll back your graphic card driver. And if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then you have to just update it. As you can see over here, we officially support NVIDIA drivers 595.71 and higher version. So just you have to need to update your graphic card driver if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver. And for the AMD users, you can roll back your graphic card driver to 26.3.1. So here how to do it. So go to this AMD website, scroll down, select graphics, select your graphic card driver family. This is just an example. So select whatever your version and then click on submit. Scroll down and here you will see previous version. So click on previous version. If you have Windows 11, expand Windows 11. And here look for 26.3.1. Here it is. So click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, that is a 26.3.1 version, run it and install it. And then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch this Subnautica 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Some users have also said that it works with AMD driver 26.5.2. So I hope by following these two fixes, you can easily solve Subnautica 2 error. Your game might not have exited correctly last time you played. Now if still your problem is not solved, then as the error say, try lowering the game settings and then check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.